Good evening. So, Mr. Manoj Posappan, JMD of this Renatus, Mr. Venkatesan, Deputy CEO of our company, Mr. Basto, Senior Vice President of our company. I am Selva Sundaram, Chairman and Managing Director of Renatus Group. So, the Renatus Group, we are doing projects and we are manufacturing also. The Renatus Group construction, we are doing Maldives project. Airport and airport, Rajamundri Airport and Malayur Airport. Now, in Chennai, City Tower, Chennai City Tower, Central Tower, 27 Madi, that is in EPC scheme. So, that is Chennai tallest building. So, that also we are doing now. So, Renacon, we started in 2011. In South India, we are the number one. We have 3 factories, almost 9 lakh M-Cube per annum they are manufactured. So Kerala and Tamil Nadu, we are the leader. We have 3 factories, one in Arcot, Tirunelveli and Perundarai. Perundarai plant is the latest plant in India, highest production, single plant, highest production. One 1550 M-Cube production. So we have almost 600 dealers. We have strong dealer network. We are supplying all the corporate industries, Chennai Airport, all building rail, all railways, airport, PWD, CPWD, all. So, now 4th plant, they are putting in Andhra Pradesh, Naidupet. On the plant with the capacity, now we are putting a fiber cement board. That is a very latest plant, it's a latest technology. On the plant, production capacity is per annum 60,000 ton per annum. So, the market India and abroad, Europe, Middle East and Africa. This is our target marketing target. Minimum 1,000 employees, direct and indirect employees, we are giving a job opportunities. In the fiber cement board, it's a old technology. But old product, India will not penetrate. Australia, Europe, Middle East, in the partition wall, all fiber cement board use. So, in China, almost all building, all hotels, hospitals, residents, commercial companies, all inner partition wall, they are using only fiber cement boards. So, there are a lot of advantages there. Fire resistant and anti-termite and waterproof. In the advantages easy to make. All hostels, the government order in the hostels and hospitals, fiber cement board use because it's a fire resistant and anti-termite. So, in the India, it's a growing country. 2030, our India is going to be a third economic, largest economy. Adukku lot of infrastructure is coming up. We are also part of that. It's a totally eco-friendly product. We are using mainly fly ash. It's a totally eco-friendly products. So it's a very good market. Very almost 15% is CAGR growth. So our plan is going to the 2030 our plan is 1,500 crores turnover aim the company. So we are all working on that. Thank you.